Welcome back to the Alt Kings. I'm Tate, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of the Cosmos ecosystem. Today we'll be delving deeper into strategies specifically tailored for maximizing airdrops within the Cosmos network, and as always, a quick reminder that none of this is financial advice. Now, let's unveil the intricacies of Cosmos airdrops together. Before we dive into the strategies, let's grasp the essence of Cosmos. It's not just one blockchain, it's a network of separate layer 1 blockchains interconnected through the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol. Each of these blockchains boasts its native network's token. The potential for airdrops is colossal, considering the continuous onboarding of new tokens. The key here is to position yourself strategically for a share of these airdrops. Now you may ask, why are there so many opportunities for airdrops in Cosmos? Well, as new networks emerge, they need a way to distribute their initial token allocations. A significant portion usually goes to the community, particularly those who stake or interact with existing Cosmos Layer 1 blockchains. This dynamic has proven successful in recent airdrops, such as Dimension rewarding Atom, Osmosis, and Celestia stakers. Now, let's delve into the strategies to position yourself for these cosmic rewards. Our compass points towards 5 networks with immense airdrop potential within the Cosmos galaxy: Celestia, Injective, Kuji, Osmosis, and the OG Cosmos Hub. They're not just random choices, they're carefully curated for your cosmic journey. To qualify for potential airdrops, the crux of our strategy is to stake network tokens for these diverse networks. We've seen it work with Dimension, and we're anticipating more and more to come. And now let's get hands-on. To set yourself up for these airdrops, you'll start by staking Atom on the Cosmos Hub through the Kepler dashboard and Kepler wallet. Remember, patience is key for all of these airdrops. You must be patient in order to be rewarded, so keep that in mind. Airdrops also may take time to materialize. Celestia is the next we'll be looking to stake. With its expansive ecosystem, it's our next focus. You can stake the TIA tokens through the Kepler app once again, and you can also consider Milky Way Zone for liquid staking. Osmosis and Injective can also be staked through the Kepler dashboard. You can also stake Injective through the Injective hub. Last but not least, we have Kuji, the DeFi-focused Layer 1. You can stake the Kuji tokens through Kuji Blue at blue.kuji.network. Very seamless process as well as all of the other ones. I definitely recommend using the Kepler wallet for the most secure staking, and it also ensures that airdrops will be guaranteed to you if they go to the tokens that you're staking with. And to clarify once again, the networks that we will want to be staking their tokens are Celestia, Injective, Kuji, Osmosis, and the OG Cosmos network. Build on the interchain. As we chart our course through the current networks, it's crucial to keep an eye on the horizon. Networks like Dimension, once launched, could become infrastructure for modular blockchains. These, too, may offer opportunities for airdrops. We must stay vigilant and also informed. Before we conclude, we must equip ourselves with the right tools. Websites like airdrops.one and cosmosairdrops.io will be your guiding stars in this cosmic journey. They track upcoming airdrops and provide essential information. Remember, the key to success in the Cosmos ecosystem is not just staking, but staying informed. I hope you all enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like and subscribe for more insights. And until next time, may your Cosmos airdrops be bountiful. This has been the Alt Kings, and we will see you all next episode. Peace.